All right, so you're thinking about heading to Lisbon, Portugal for the first time? Well, buckle up because you're in for a treat. This vibrant city is a perfect blend of old world charm and modern vibes, making it a must visit destination for any travel lover. First things first, let's talk about the food. Oh boy, get ready to indulge in some mouth-watering pastéis de nata, those delicious custard tarts that will have you coming back for more. And don't forget to try the fresh seafood at the local markets. It's a seafood lover's paradise. Now, let's dive into the sights. From the historic Alfama district with its winding streets and colorful houses to the iconic Belém Tower standing proudly by the river, every corner of Lisbon is a feast for the eyes. Make sure to take a tram ride through the hilly streets for a true Lisbon experience. Feeling adventurous? Head over to Sintra, just a short train ride away, and explore the fairy tale-like Peña Palace perched on top of the hill. The views are simply breathtaking, trust me on this one. And of course, we can't talk about Lisbon without mentioning the nightlife. The city comes alive after dark with its lively bars, Fado music echoing through the streets, and the warm hospitality of the locals. So, put on your dancing shoes and get ready to party like a true Lisbita. Oh, and did I mention the weather? Lisbon boasts a Mediterranean climate, so you can expect plenty of sunshine to accompany your explorations. Just remember to pack some sunscreen and a hat. You'll thank me later. So, there you have it. Lisbon in a nutshell. A city that will captivate you with its beauty, charm, and laid-back vibes. Get ready to fall in love with this gem of a destination, and trust me, you'll be planning your next trip back before you even leave. Enjoy your adventure in Lisbon, my friends.